I'm not feeling well, but let's do this because I'm bored. Okay, let's go to Cherry Farm because we're gonna do cherry picking. Actually, guys, before we go here, Manalo Sol picked me up at Nana's place. And then we traveled 2 hours going here. And then we just paid $35 for the basket. Actually, it's not we because hindi naman ako nagbayad. Nadala lang ako sa Punggit Urot, guys. So, $35, 6 na kami ang nakapasok sa farm. By the way, guys, that's the basket. Pupunahin namin yan ng cherry and then dadalhin pa uwi. And ang init that time. I think because of that kainiton. Magkasakit ako, be. O, diba, nasisipa yung araw. Grabe yung puno ng cherry niyan, guys. And with a different variety. Ay, variety, tama ba? Basta it's like different kinds of cherries. Yeah. Place, pag ganun. Basta bahala na kayo. Basta cherries yan. You know what, guys? It's my first time to eat cherry. Yes, I know we also have that in the Philippines, but it's so expensive and though. And wala kaming pambili, be. You know, guys, I have a lot of first times here in Canada. Especially eating foods. And I'm thankful for experiencing that. You know, guys, when I just got here, I find it difficult to eat the food. Literal talaga, guys, na mag-a-adjust ko sa lahat. Man, I don't know kung panlasa ko lang talaga. At ang layo talaga ng lasa ng pagkain dito compare sa atin. Kasi para wala siyang lasa, be. I don't know, pero para sa akin, parang wala talaga siyang lasa, be. But naka-adjust naman ako. So, guys, maybe you're wondering why we're wearing white tops. We also don't know, guys, pero mag-intermission sana kami yan dun sa farm. Pero pinigilan na kami ng may-ari. So, umuwi na as.